Well, what is going on, guys? Luke here today, and it's time to talk about Tesla's next earnings call. Tesla has really broken out this quarter during a September that saw the overall market sputter, but Tesla just kept crushing it. Delivery numbers delivered yet another record despite all the supply chain issues strangling the other automakers. Even Gordon Johnson had to change his tactics from just ridiculous to flat out making up false statistics and numbers seemingly out of thin air. But with everything seemingly going Tesla's way and the stock just running wild, could we be in for a huge disappointment after the earnings call? So I will address that and how I think Tesla's earnings will play out, and I'll tell you what I'm doing personally as well. So if you like the truth without the hype, just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to get your completely free download, My Stock Investing Checklist, to help you out. And check out the Market Insiders private group while you are there, where I have posted 70 buys now over 19 stocks, and that includes my last Tesla buy at $610. We also executed 2 swing trades as well at 2x and 3x respectively. So if you want those alerts, plus 4 free courses, live weekly Q&As, exclusive videos, and a ton more, just check out the pinned comment. And before blasting me for promoting it, I have no ads, no sponsors. This is what YouTube pays me in a month, and I give half of that and half the group's proceeds to charity. So Tesla once again crushed their delivery numbers, so this should be another stellar earnings call in my opinion. I think they're going to easily beat the numbers, and it's really not going to be close. I expect revenue to increase to record levels, and really every other number to be as strong as well. Not all of them are going to be record breaking, but all of them I think are going to be really strong. Now we do still have 2 factories being built that does put a drain on capital without really contributing anything to the bottom line right now, but that should not hurt too much since those factories are moving right along. I still think they turn a profit easily, but of course we will have to have the dreaded discussion about EV credits once again. Yes, if you take them away some quarters, Tesla may not be profitable. Yes, it is quite possible they will dry up in the future. Yes, it is a very unconventional way to help out your numbers. But the bottom line is, who freaking cares? Seriously, every single company in the world would love to have and would use those credits if they could. It's a competitive advantage that Tesla has, and it's business 101 to use them strategically. But the media, YouTubers, and our guy Gordon Johnson will be there telling us how terrible this is and how it's not real, and it's just masking how bad of a company Tesla is. If the negativity affects the stock price, it's a perfect time to go discount shopping. Wall Street's short-sightedness is our gain since they provide discount shopping opportunities for those of us that are long the stock. So long term, if it goes down, I could care less about any of this stuff. They managed to have record deliveries despite the chip shortage and multiple challenges that are affecting the entire auto industry. There's a reason why every other automaker's deliveries are way off the mark and Tesla just continues to beat expectations. But before we get way too excited, there is one concern that I have coming into this earnings call, and that is just the share price run up ahead of the earnings call. Tesla is up 30% this quarter, and the S&P is only up around 2%. And we have seen this before in the past, not just with Tesla, but with many stocks where the share price runs up ahead of the call, the earnings call is great, and there's a day or two of the prices going up, and then it just sells off hard. This seems to happen a lot when a company announces results like Deliveries ahead of their earnings. Deliveries, if I could say the word deliveries ahead of earnings. I think the moment those numbers were released, most of us can extrapolate out a reasonable guess as to what Tesla would do this quarter. And outside of a few bears, I didn't see anyone have anything but big numbers for Tesla this quarter. So some, and maybe all of it, could be priced in already, so even a great earnings call may not be enough to send it to the moon just yet, and we may see it trend down instead. I'm not trying to be a bear or anything else or be negative, I just wanted you guys to be aware of the dynamic that might come in play after the earnings call and why it's happening. So what am I doing personally? I am simply sitting back and watching the numbers and then watching what Wall Street does to see if they give me some juicy discounts. This is where having your plan set before the earnings call is key. And I know many of you guys hate that I say it all the time, but planning and having price targets is key to investing, especially with a stock like Tesla, because it's honestly just a unique stock. But you absolutely can take advantage of this uncertainty if you play the long game and stay away from all the short-term speculating that goes on. If you're worried about what Tesla will do tomorrow, or finding the bottom, or guessing the top, or anything else like that, then you are short-term speculating to a degree and trying to time the market to a degree, which nobody can do on any consistent basis. No other stock moves like Tesla. So you need to be prepared and have your price targets ready, which I agree is hard to come up with for Tesla compared to almost any other stock. It's just a hard stock to value. But the bottom line is you gotta do it and you gotta have your price targets ready. So just hold and look to add at your price target when short-term issues arise, like an earnings call is great, but the stock sells off anyways because Wall Street's just stupid. That is the perfect time that I love to add to stocks. Tesla is a different kind of roller coaster, so don't panic sell and treat any dips as an opportunity to add at your price target and enjoy the run that is Tesla stock. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.